In this FERRO instructional video, you will find some tips how to replace the head of the Trinity thermostatic mixer. Although at first sight the replacement might seem complicated, you are bound to cope with this challenge successfully. Before proceeding to work, turn off the water valve and prepare a suitable set of tools. Start with prising and removing the whole plug. Loosen the screw with the fillet screwdriver and put out the knob. Take the marker and flag the position of the white and black plastic ring, then slide it off the head. Twist off the head with the wrench, remove the thermostatic part and the spring from the mixer housing. Here, a useful tool may be the tweezers or a crooked hook. Now you are halfway through it. Now put in a new spring with a centering washer, then the head part, and screw it back with the wrench. Slide in the plastic ring according to the position as previously marked. Open the water valve. If the water temperature does not suit you, make appropriate adjustments with the position of the cap to reach the temperature as desired. When turning clockwise, the temperature will decrease. Take off the knob without changing its position. Put the knob on again, aligning it with the FERRO inscription. It wasn't so difficult, was it? The replacement will allow you to extend the service life. Due to the FERRO instructional video, you will perform the fitting operations, a replacement of a part or repair of small faults.